What's up, gorgeous gang? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do extreme contour and highlight, and I'm going to be using only concealer. The first concealer I have right here is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Keep in mind, guys, you do not have to use a concealer as your base. You can definitely use foundation, but your girl did not have any full coverage foundation, so I use concealer. Okay, y'all, so y'all don't have to use this light of a concealer, so don't go back and tell nobody I said to use this bright ass concealer. I'm just using it for demonstration purposes, so you guys to actually see it and it picks up on camera. The one I normally use, I don't know if you guys was gonna be able to see it. That's why I went a couple shades lighter, and I haven't used this concealer in a minute. I think I only used it probably once or twice since it came out. So yeah, and I really wanted y'all to see exactly what I was doing. I didn't want something that was gonna blend in with my under eye and my base. This is the normal concealer that I would use for the contour to contour my face. If I don't use the stick, I will probably use just powder, but most of the time I use both. So the stick could like really get me off the shade that I want, and the powder could makes it stay a little bit. Okay, you guys, when I'm setting my highlight areas and bringing out that contour that I did on my jaw or cheek, well, yeah, jaw, y'all know what I mean. I like to highlight with one color and use a shade that's a little bit darker when trying to bring out that jawbone contour. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the excess highlighting powder that we use for baking, and just clean that off with a little finishing powder, clean that up. By the way, y'all, I'm using the Real Technique buffing brush to buff off the excess powder. Like, this really helps. Like, you get that excess powder off, like every bit of it, and it helps you to set what needs to be set. Usually when I use a different kind of brush to try to wipe off the extra powder from the contour line that I did, it really, like, I have to scrub it off. So this brush is like buffs it away, swoop, just like that. Okay, y'all, now this is my favorite part. The the bronzing with the powder, or contouring with the powder, like going over where you initially contoured at. Now this is a hit or miss. Either you're gonna look like you smear mud in your face, or like you got a tan and you sun kissed. For that sun kiss look, I would do one or two shades darker than your natural skin tone. Don't go too dark, because yeah, like I said, you're gonna look like you had a play date, or you just smeared mud in your face. So we don't want that. So one or two shades darker. Okay, let's get down to the highlighting. Um, it don't matter how much highlighter you want to put, sis. If you want to glow like the sun, put as much highlighter as you want. Just make sure you blend it out, because if not, it'll look a little patchy. So make sure you blend it out. Now this is what's gonna tie your whole face together. The highlight, the contour, all of that. The setting spray. Make sure you have some type of setting spray. If you want to make your own, you could. There's plenty of ingredients for that. But make sure you set your face with the setting spray. It makes it look natural and like skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.